So this year you're going to be using Google Docs a lot. And I'm going to make two videos here. This is the first of those two. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Google Docs. And the key thing is how to make them shareable so that your teacher and your peers can edit your document. Now, some of you might be saying, I really like Pages. I want to use Pages. Why can't I just do that? There's nothing wrong with Pages, but it doesn't have the collaboration features that Google Docs has. And so you're going to be asked to use Google Docs throughout the year, so it's good to get to understand how to share it properly. And before you say, wait, I know all this, I've done this so many times, maybe just check this out because sometimes we share the document, but we only make it viewable. And I'm going to show you how to make it editable. So first things first, you got to find your Google Docs, tap on that, and then you're going to get this set up here for your Google Docs. This is what you should get right away. And what's convenient about this is it shows you all of the Google Docs you've worked on recently. And for me, I see a lot of collaboration docs. So I taught a summer school course, and so anytime I see these two little heads in the corner of any of these documents, that's a collaboration doc. So for you, you're going to see a lot of that this year. In the second video, I'm going to show you how to organize this, because if you try to just rely on having these present, over 7 classes, all the writing you're going to do is going to really make that messy. It's going to be all gunked up with a whole bunch of documents. So we want to work on how to organize that a little bit. And then up in the top right corner is a folder. And what's really nice about this, and this is what I'm alluding to here, and I'll show you in the second video, these are all of the different folders I have for different things that I teach and I work through, and I need to stay organized. So this allows me to do so. That's your drive. It's your quick reference to your drive. Of course, what a lot of students do is they just search. They use the search feature and they type in something like report, I guess, and they hope that it will find it. And if you named it right, that can actually work pretty well. If you didn't name it right, that can be really problematic. And the fact of the matter is, over time, you're going to forget what that document was called. So, to create a document, and you know this, down at the bottom right, you click plus, and then you click New Document. Here's a really important step. Don't leave it called Untitled Document for exactly the reason I just alluded to with the magnifying glass. If all of your documents are called Untitled Document, then your untitled documents are going to be numerous, and they're going to all be called Untitled Document 1, 2, through 1,000. And that's problematic because you wouldn't know exactly what to search for in the title. So instead, here's what I'm going to suggest for you for structuring your titles. Call the beginning of the file whatever class you're in. So for instance, if I'm in photography, I'm going to call it photo. In every document for photography, I'm going to call photo. And then I'm going to call it photo in whatever the assignment is. Similarly, if I'm in journalism, and then I'm going to call it whatever that file is. So for instance, here it might be example paper. Then I'm going to create it, and it's now named. And of course, I can go up there and change the name if I ever want. Now, I don't need to explain to you how to type a document. Good stuff. But you'll write that document out, you'll do your whole thing. And here's where if you wanted to do it in Pages and then copy and paste it over, you could certainly do that. But this is where, of course, you do your writing, your formatting, all that stuff. Now, on the right side, and this is really the meat of this, on the right side, there's these 3 dots, the upper right corner. I'm going to tap those. And you get a lot of cool little information here, the word count, because some teachers might want a word count still, the page setup, details. What you're looking at is down here where it says Share and Export. When I tap on Share and Export, I get all of these options. Now, some people might just click link sharing because the teacher has told them they need a link. And you might therefore tap that, and it says link sharing turned on and link copied. And you're saying, yes, I've done it. Now I just need to paste that link. And I can go here and I can say, paste. There's the link. I'll give that to the teacher. I'm good to go. But hold on, you're not good to go. That's problematic. And here's what I'm showing you. If you go up to the 3 dots, even though you did the share and export down at the bottom, and you did link sharing and it's on, and you're like, yo, teach, it's fine. The link sharing's on. Settle down. they're going to say, I still can't edit it. And this is what you have to do. Up at the top, you have to click share or tap share. And you're going to see all these people. Don't worry about the add people or groups. But down at the bottom of this opening, you have who has access. And you see a picture of you, that should be your profile. And then there's this weird building falling over looking thing. And you want to tap that. And on there, this is the problem. It says Jesuit High School can view. If you want collaboration, if you want them to edit, or more importantly, the teacher wants you to edit, you have to tap change and change that to editor. Now, anyone can edit it who has the link. And remember, Google Docs is really cool because you can see any past versions of the document. So don't be worried that someone's going to like change it on you or make any changes that aren't reversible. It's all reversible and it saves it in real time. Then you can copy this link by tapping on it, saying copy link. And now you can actually send that link to your teacher via the assignment or via email, whatever, however they want it. Obviously, different teachers are going to want it different ways.